Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing 10 facts about Rose Leslie. Number 1. Rose Eleanor Arbuthnot Leslie was born on the 9th of February 1987 in Aberdeen, the United Kingdom, making her 32 years old. Number 2. She has been married to Game of Thrones co-star Kit Harington since 2018. Number 3. Her family resides at the 12th century Wardhill Castle in Scotland's Old Rain. Number 4. She attended the Rainnorth School and the Millfield Inn Street Private School, then attending the Academy of Music and Dramatic Art. Number 5. She got her leading on-screen debut when she was 21 years old in 2009's Newtown. Number 6. In 2017, she voiced the female protagonist in the video game Echo. Number 7. She is fluent in French and lived in France for 3 years when she was younger. Number 8. She is a very skilled archer, which was a hobby she picked up for her role of Ygritte in Game of Thrones. Number 9. She was constantly harassed for her red hair as a child, being one of the only red-headed girls at her school. Number 10. She is good friends with Game of Thrones co-star Emilia Clarke, who plays Daenerys Targaryen in the show. You've made it to the end of the video. Congratulations! If you want to like and subscribe and maybe even turn on notifications, it would be much appreciated. And make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Have a great day and I hope to see you in the future. Bye!